Life is full of strange contradictions. That's why I'm going to introduce you to a few paradoxes in this video. Let's imagine there's a man who shaves all the men who do not shave themselves. The question now is whether he is allowed to shave himself. If he shaves himself, then he belongs to the men who shave themselves. So it's not allowed. If he doesn't shave himself, then he belongs to the men who don't shave themselves. So he should actually be allowed to shave himself after all? According to our logic, such a person cannot exist. A man and a turtle want to have a race. The man is 10 times faster than the turtle. That's why the turtle has a 100-meter head start. After the starting whistle, the man quickly reaches the spot where the turtle started. Accordingly, the turtle has also advanced 10 meters. After all, it's 10 times slower. The person quickly reaches that spot as well, and the turtle has advanced 1 meter, and so on. Can the person ever catch up with the turtle? Of course he overtakes it, but why? Imagine adding up infinitely many numbers that keep getting smaller. For example, 1 plus 0.5 plus 0.25 plus 0.125 plus 0.0625 and so on. But this goes on infinitely. Can this infinite sum reach an infinitely large value? No, even if you keep adding up infinitely, it has a limit. In this example, the limit is 2. It's exactly the same in the race. The sum of the ever smaller segments has a finite value. And the distance with this value can indeed be covered by people in a finite amount of time. Let's imagine a person claims the following. Every person lies no matter what they say. Can what he's saying be true? He claims that this statement, not every person lies regardless of what they say, is also true. That means the statement can't be correct at all. So people don't always lie. This sentence is false. That sentence is impossible for several reasons. The claim in the sentence is that the sentence is false. If this sentence is false as it claims, then the statement that this sentence is false is actually false. So the sentence can't be false. The so-called mirror paradox describes the following problem. When we stand in front of the mirror and raise our right hand, our reflection raises its left hand. So the mirror swaps left and right. So why doesn't it swap top and bottom instead? The issue is that the mirror doesn't rotate anything. It simply reflects the light that hits it. The image is inverted, not rotated. So front and back are swapped, not left and right. A prisoner is told that he will be executed at noon on one of the 7 days of the week. But he is not told on which of the 7 days it will happen. He is told that the execution will come as a complete surprise to him. Despite this, the prisoner ponders the following. If he is still alive at noon on Saturday, then he will definitely be executed at noon on Sunday, since no other day would be possible. But this would not be unexpected, since from Saturday noon he would know that he will be executed on Sunday. So he rules out Sunday. If he is still alive after Friday noon, the execution could be either Saturday or Sunday. Since Sunday has already been ruled out, it could only be Saturday. But then that wouldn't be unexpected either. If he's still alive after Thursday afternoon, it could be either Friday, Saturday, or Sunday. He's already ruled out Saturday and Sunday, so only Friday would be left as an option. But even that wouldn't be unexpected. And so on. So he comes to the conclusion that he can't be executed at all. This conclusion that death can only come to him if it is unexpected ultimately leads to the execution being completely unexpected for him when he is simply executed on Wednesday. Zenon has the following thoughts about motion. An arrow that has been shot and is flying occupies an exact and precisely determined position at every moment of its flight. In such a moment, the arrow is at rest, since it cannot move by itself. Since the flight of such an arrow consists only of such moments of flight, and the arrow is at rest in each moment, it should not move at all, yet the arrow still flies. The universe is supposed to be everything that exists. If that's all there is, can there even be a boundary? Because when you think of a boundary, there could be something beyond it again. Or is it just that we simply can't imagine nothingness? Since the Big Bang, the universe has been continuously expanding. According to most astrophysicists, the universe is curved in on itself, so you could keep traveling endlessly, like on the surface of a sphere. But it is not infinitely large. My recommendation is not to think too much about this topic, especially about infinity. Because I want to remind you again how Georg Cantor, the man who redefined infinity, died. Isn't life itself basically paradoxical? We live in order to die. Why does such a paradox exist? Maybe it's because dying has been defined by us as something that's the opposite of living. But if you don't see dying as the end of life and believe in life after death, then you could see dying as a kind of transition into another life. Then life wouldn't be paradoxical anymore. Thank you very much.